Hi, I am Abishek from English Care. I am going to tell a story named The Lost Little Bird. Yeah, on a sunny morning, a small girl named Meera went for a walk in her garden. Suddenly, she heard a small chirping sound. She searched throughout the garden, but she couldn't found it. Suddenly, she found a little bird sitting on the ground, unable to fly back to his nest. Meera gently picked up it and looked around. The little bird was so small so it couldn't able to fly back to its nest. After searching carefully, she found a small nest in a tree high. She asked her father for help. Her father brought a long ladder and placed it near the tree. They carefully placed the little bird on the nest. Next morning, Meera woke up to a sweet chirping sound outside her window. There, many birds are sitting in her garden and shouting. The small bird had come to thank her. Then only Meera understand helping a small creature could bring a big difference. Moral: helping others to brings us a inner peace. Us too.